Hello, my people. Good afternoon. Please, if you know today is your first time you are watching my YouTube video, please go straight to subscribe, share with friends, share with your enemies, share with everyone. And don't forget to like. And you are highly welcome. Another matter I carry me come today. Coco Mama, Shop Noko, I dey like you. Now make me subscribe to your YouTube. They watch your program. God will bless you for this matter when be say you carry come. My God go bless you well. My God, he go really bless you well. You see them? I don't want to be single mother. I don't want to be single mother. My sister, may I tell you something concerning that video where you make? That girl, for me, if she need help, she know where she will go. That girl know they tell us the main truth where it is. She know they tell us. Coco Mama, if you say you get pity heart, well, pity mind, God will continue to bless you because the way they talk, you know, like say your mind, you get good heart, and that is good. I dey make my video from Germany. I dey stay for Germany. The girl they say the boy they don't give am 3 months because if they don't give person 3 months to come out, they'll carry the person go another place. Shut up, girl! What the fuck? Hey, she know so Nigeria and I don't still come back again. Later to send a village people. I don't want too much waste people time today because my people now get what you now go listen to. Now get what you now want listen to. Now the film is so me I not too much waste my time. I go straight to the point. She they talk about single mother. She don't want to be single mother. She don't want to do this so. After Belle don't how many months now this January she want boom. And now she they cry for help. Girl, what did they do you? You say 26 years now you did maybe not small pikin matter now they worry you. Now make you no get sense. You want born your pikin may you go carry give you again down. No, mama here and did there. I go help you take care of the pikin. If you dey born the pikin, go add me for Facebook at Mama A and D. Follow me, write me, inbox me if you don't want the pikin. Born the pikin, give me. May I tell you something what you now no one know. Because of this girl, what she talk, I want just use myself to make small example. She said single mother plenty for Germany. Truth, yes, 100% right. But I believe say this girl when we talk about so, she go also get friends when we say now single mother they be. Why she not call them sit down ask them what make them be single mother? Before I judge, before I start, may I choose my own, may I tell now my own story, small story. Before I become single mother, I never pray one day say I will become single. Not my dream to become single mother. Also say I know this guy for a long time. We did the same camp together, but we know the friend. So after 5 years or so, we see each other. You know, the girl, the boy say like me. Also say person will be so I don't know. We begin start with a friend. We plan about marriage, everything. First, I get documents. I get my own house. I get work. When we say I see they collect small money, I do okay. I know they suffer. I know they sell my body. I do okay. That time for Italy. So as with a friend now, Belle come enter. The boy say no problem. We go born. I will born the pikin. If my Belle is 6 months, we go put money for my head. Say, okay, this boy they know my they pet me. They do everything possible for me. Man, they okay. But one thing, this guy promised me say if I born boy, and so he go buy car for me. Go do this one for me. I say okay, oh, no problem. And the day we be say I want to do this test now, I know whether I'm boy I carry or okay. This guy be no one follow me, but me now I don't know. Say the thing go turn to be like this. I say me follow me, come follow me, come force. I come force and follow me. We come say na gay. I want to. From that moment, my lovely husband to be, my sweetheart turned to be a beast. Beast when they inside and carry and come out. He treats me. People where they Napoli, Casavatuno, we know me well, they will tell now. Although say me, I still get my own side when be say I for fuck up. Say I know still, but if woman get for Belle, no me say no go pump tomorrow. And so we take day every day call, every day fight. So tell he and a friend, they gather beat me. They beat me. This boy begin they call everybody. If family they tell and say leave this girl. If woman get Belle, now so that they behave, their body they hurt. This boy no here. Say me I go Germany go boom. Sure, I can't lose my job. Many things, documents. How person will be say don't stay for Europe for 7 years. I'll constantly come jam me, come start for square one again. This boy say no concern now, he go kill me if I stay here, this and this. So one day before he come out, he come back, I pack my load, I go rent one room. But when I see the condition when I come to that time, with belle, who wan gree give me job? Small money wey be say I get for account, when be say I still take dey live, money dey go down. If you dey collect money, you know dey put back. What you want me do? Everything go down. Now I tell you I come join me. And so before I come up for Italy, me and this man no dey again. The day wey be say I wan even take flight, come join me. I call my baby papa. He dey enjoy himself with another woman. This man go leave me for house that time with wetin dey do. Go run. Police come. This man run. Na me dey inside. Person wey go dey ask money, get money, me I tell you, go say you no get money. You go say you no get money. You no get money. Till police come carry money come outside. I no fit tell how much the money be. But if na some women that will carry the money run because of the way when the man take the wicked am. But I still carry the money, go give am for where it dey. Because me and they speak Italy, I fit deal with the police. That one no be problem for my side, I no wish. But at the end, I become a single mother. If people they talk about single mother, una no know how they take become the single mother. Some of una go say na because of money. And some of una wey be say una call herself single mother for Germany, wey be say una dey leave una husband because of money. I don't first make this video before. Now they cause all this nonsense. Now they cause them. So I just tell now this small story. One tell no say, not be everybody will be single mother. Now I turn themselves to become a single mother. They not pray put. But some days, some foolish and idiot women, after I be say, small money don't they come. Now don't pursue the man, go outside. Because you don't see your friends they dress. Anyway, that story will be for another day. Talking about dun when the girl talk say they don't give the guy dun this and this, they will deport the guy. If now reason this matter the same way when me the reason, in fact, may I play the video so that I'll see the listing for the background. But I don't know whether the thing. I don't know whether I'm the year now. May I fast forward and because not be those ones from here. No, be that one here. No one know if you're one of you. Good. This one at the earth, the boy when she fed the follow. She say as she come Jamie now, she come say the boy another woman don't born for her. Now she come to follow this new one. She follow this new one and 3 months she don't take him. But what thing we don't understand is that woman, you don't want to be single mother. You know what you want for your life. Why you dey open your leg wide? Make that they pour the water they put. Una not feel wise. Now to the wear marker, the dress, the paint face, the paint mouth. Now una know. Una don't know what that they copy, more na they take, more na not taking. Una not fit take injection, more na not take gebele. You know fit tell the man say if you never put money for your head, you not go born for her. I bet more na leave this story for the girls. Yeah. force man may go put money for your head. If the man ready put, but the wetin I no understand is that wetin this girl dey talk, truth fit dey, but the truth go be like this. Because this one now she dey say the boy get dundun, the boy get rejection. And for some of now we no know wetin they call dundun for Germany. This one na dundun. Husband when be say that they pull red, now that they call dundun. She say anybody when be say don't get dundun, they go deport them. That one a lie. 100% lie. Depends on dundun when you get. You see this dundun one are they see so. This one are for mama A and D. Now dundun when they give them before, give her children. Now they feel me so. So if they give you rejection, they give you dundun, you need to prove very hard. Because you feel carry dundun for 5 years. Sometimes they will turn out to documents, they will give you documents. Sometimes you go carry on even 5 years before you know they'll come knock your door, they'll throw away you go house. If they don't give you rejection, they give you dundun, they feel carry you go house at any time. And another type of dundun day, maybe if you be person will be say they make problem, they fight everyday police problem, they'll put dundun for your husband. And if you be say they do hospital, so the hospital maybe you stop or something happen, they'll still put dundun for your husband. Another type of dundun, maybe you don't put hand for another country before. You don't put hand for another country like me when you come for Italy. This one is my gift when I get for the hand. This dundun, because I don't put hand for Italy before. Wanna listen? She left him. Because she don't like seeing women being baby mama. Yeah. Super! So what the fuck? You know happy? The man even call your family, your brother, talk to her and say he go come where he wants. What be this girl problem? What? Not be by force, oh. Not be by force. Sure? 9 months. 9 months. What can you do? You see, this January now she want born. Hey! Nigeria, wetin I do now? She want go labor room, go push, shit, big shit. After she deliver, she go carry pikin. Your blood, your flesh, you go carry and give government, make government carry. Abeg, who know this girl address? Make they send am for me. Make her go buy ticket, go meet her for that place where she dey. Wetin dey worry her? She take tramadol, abi na she take the big one. Wetin dey worry this girl? Some people no want put sense for her head. Being a single mother is much better than selling your own child, giving your child away. You see, the man not deny. Okay. know this girl may go knock her door, may they tell and say this girl they make big mistake of her life. Who know I may go knock her door? If not a friend for Facebook, make me tell her. Say she they make big mistake of her life. Government put you for school. They still send you letter say if your baby don't reach 3 years, you go still start the school. What did they worry this girl? The school they there for you. God bless you, Mr. Bright. Oh, make me send my address. Give this man. I dey like the way when the matter they ask him question. If to say men like this plenty, now be say what for not be like this. Yeah, you say you go invite the man come your house. If the man come, she go kill herself. She go kill the man. Which kind of stupid woman be this one? She go kill the man, kill herself. Men, in fact, this kind of woman good for now. And what's it good for now? Woman will feel open her mouth on social media talk all this rubbish. She want kill 3 of them. She want kill 3 of them. Kill the baby. Kill the baby father. Kill herself. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, that is it. Not bringing this issue to social media or what? Because right now, do not ever think of taking your life. Yeah, or take it. She don't even know what she's putting herself into. She don't know. Because if she know, she could have not been saying this rubbish on social media. This girl should be careful before police will come and arrest her. She should be careful. If not, when she will be in the hospital pushing, she will see a lot of police and you get them around her. She don't know what she's saying. She don't know. Somebody should tell her to keep her mouth shut. Eh? Look at what she's saying. Yes, devil is walking inside her. Big one, not one devil, a lot of devil. Millions devils is walking inside her. This girl better slap. Now see insult what she just give us. Say guess when they do prostitute. I bet on our way busy on know me for Italy. Now go be my witness. So. You see, now they carry the fake romance, so say that they pay single more than 1,000 something. When I not see her life, me with my children, 2 children, how much they pay us? You know, if they reach money, you know, if they reach anything, they eat. You they hear what they talk now, say that they pay her 1,000 something. With how many children? Maybe with 5 children. I beg my people. Make I even pause this thing, because this girl now, the more she dey talk, the more she dey make my head dey grow dada. Sure? Wait. Wetin dey worry Nigerians? Wetin dey worry them? Now, yeah, she wan kill the man. She wan kill the baby. She wan kill herself. For what? For what? Anyway, my people, Coco Mama, my sister, my beautiful friend, Coco Mama. I really love this video that you bring her. I really love it. I really love it. Keep it on and keep it on. I really appreciate it. And this is all I have to say for this woman video or record. I don't know what to say. This is all I have. That is my opinion for her. That is also my answer for her. So you guys that watch this video and listen to this audio, and please leave your comments in the box. Please also tell us what you think about this lady. She's normal. Tell us what you think about her, and if you know her, also give her a good advice. Advise her not to kill herself, not to try anything stupid, not even to give the child out. Because that child, you don't know what that child will become tomorrow. And this man you are saying you have rejection, this. You don't know. God can turn the rejection to answer to that man. God can help that man. You know? She's saying that the man need the baby because of documents. She's stupid. Because you cannot have baby and Gemma will give you documents. That is stupidness. You don't know what she's saying. That is stupidness. I wish German are giving people documents just because of baby. I believe all mothers could have documents, or fathers. Everybody could have been walking around with their paper, with their documents, with their passport. But that is bullshit. Work hard. If you need something, if you need your documents, you know what to do to get it. Don't sit one place opening your leg for A, B, C, up and down. My dear, enough is enough. You Nigeria people, you need to wise up. You need to wake up for your stupid dream. I want to kill myself. She don't even know what to say. I'm so angry with her right now. Anyway, who know I should tell her that she don't need a baby. I'm ready. I'm ready to have the baby. I have 2 kids already, but I can make that one 3. Tell her to give me the child. By the time I start working, I can take care of the child. When the child grow up, she will know me as a mother. Please, who know I should tell her to bring the child for me instead of her to give the child to government, to a European person, to Ugandans. I'm also Nigeria like her, so the difference is just the language, the city, where we come from. Tell her to send me the baby child. I bet my people, make me not forget to subscribe, share this video. Have a nice day. My sister Coco Mama, I will be waiting for your reply. Please. Thank you. I love you all.